Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to share albums in photos on your iPhone, iPad and Mac. So first things first, what you want to do is bring up the Photos app. And with the Photos app open, you want to press Albums here at the very bottom. And now what you want to look for is this plus icon in the top left hand corner. And then you want to select New Share Album. Now what you want to do is give it a name, then press Next, and then who you want to share it with. So you put a real email address or their phone number, etc. And you can keep adding contacts like this. You can add your contact and then you press Create. Now, whenever you put anything in this album, it'll be shared with them people. So that is how to create a shared album in photos on your iPhone, and this will work with the iPad and the Mac too. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash a like, smash a subscribe, and thank you for watching.